Hello, my name is Tom Worthy from the Howardson Group, and today I'd like to introduce the new Dennis lightweight ES-34SL. The ES-34SL features a 34-inch width cut and also features a robust 200-litre capacity grass box, which gives good visibility for operator during use. Sits alongside the ES-860, and while the ES-860 is still the most versatile of our machines with interchangeable cassettes, the ES-34SL is a dedicated mower. When presenting the new ES-34SL to customers, some of the key areas that should be highlighted is the lightweight and manoeuvrability advantages of this machine, the dedicated cutting simplicity, the electric performance, and the high quality Dennis finish. On top of that, it should be compared as an alternative to the ES-860, not as a replacement, and customers who want a lightweight machine for the day-to-day maintenance of their surfaces. The typical target customer for this product will be the likes of football clubs, sports clubs, training grounds, stadiums, schools and facilities that have multiple training or pitch facilities, councils, or where customers' ease of use is of a particular interest to them. One of the key differences in this machine is weight. As you see from the front end of this product, the cylinder, integrated brush and wheelie front roller are housed within this new machined aluminium front end that reduces the weight of this machine to 187 kilograms compared to 235 that is with the ES-860 product. Some of the key advantages of that weight saving is the reduction of ground pressure, moving weight off the surface, making it also easier to operate and transport and load in and out of certain environments. Another key difference of the ES-34SL is that it is a dedicated mower, so it doesn't accept cassettes. However, it is fitted with an integrated grooming brush that is quick adjustable from a height range of increments of 0.5 mil. On the front of the machine, we have a 89mm wheelie roller that comes as standard, again on a quick adjustment for a height of cut of 0.1mm per click. As an option, we offer a smooth front roller instead of the wheelie roller, and on the rear we also offer a rubber coated rear roller. It comes standard with a 8-blade 140mm diameter cylinder. From a setup point of view, the quick adjusters give an operating range of 9mm up to 35mm of height of cut range. The ES-34SL is powered by a 48-volt 111 amp-hour lithium-powered battery that delivers consistent power throughout the working day, and its charge time is roughly between 1 hour 45 and 2 hours from empty to full cycle. Our battery machines have multiple benefits, including reduced emissions at point of use, reduced vibration, lower noise levels compared to traditional petrol machines, particularly in environments where there might be limitations on when you can use machinery or not, and reduced, if none, chemicals, i.e. petrol. At the rear of the machine, we have a 168mm two-piece aluminium roller for striping and stability. This also aids turning at the end of a run and is available in the rubber coated option. The machine features adjustable handles to accommodate all operator heights. Also features a mechanical park brake from a safety operation and an emergency stop button. The intuitive screen controls allow simple adjustment of the forward speed, clip rate, cylinder operation while also displaying the battery charge information. The 34SL also features an automated backlapping function for in-season blade edge maintenance. For the start sequence, turn the ignition key to on, press and hold the latch button until a click is hit, release with the booting symbol on the screen. The screen will then go through a flash mode, and once it's gone through that cycle, it will take you to the home screen to do some daily checks, accept the checks, enter to the home button. From this page, you have the option to adjust your transport speed up or down. You can see you have the time, the date, the kilometers or time that the machine's been operated. You current clip rate, your battery charge percentage, and on the left hand side you have your drive mode, so forward, neutral, park and reverse, and on the top left hand side the ability to press the button to engage the cutting cylinder. For an operation point from a transport mode, you have this latching device here, so on the right hand side it will engage with a return to neutral, and pushing it to the left hand side it latches into position until you knock it out of drive. At the top you have your dead man's handle that must be engaged to transport the machine or to engage it into cylinder drive position. For clip rate adjustment, you have your menu button on the left hand side. You then have your clip rate selection. You have then different clip rate options available which you can toggle down to for different rates. To select the rate, press the button, and then you can see from the bottom of the screen that clip rate has been selected, and no matter what the transport speed forward, up or down, the cylinder speed will be amended to give you a consistent clip rate of 105 in this scenario. A couple of improvements that we've made to our electrical range is the addition of some protective panels that give our motors underneath a little bit more protection. Second to that, we've made some changes to our charging cable, where the traditional charge port on the side of the electrical box has now been removed and replaced with a flying lead where the charge port will now plug into. Reason for that is where the charge port may have been left open, moisture got into the electrical box, the addition of the flying lead out of that and the holder to mount it onto the machine will remove the moisture ability to get into the electrical system. There has also been the removal of the traditional electrical cable fitted to the bottom of the box and now been relocated to the side, again to give more protection from knocking and water ingress into the electrical box. Additionally, to the early models of the electric range, we have added enhanced boots protection to our electrical motors that again give better protection against moisture ingress into our motors. On the left hand side of the machine under the cover you can see we have our 1200 watt electric drive motor that powers drive through a multi V-belt down to our cylinder drive. Underneath there you can see our mechanical park brake, which is operated simply by moving this lever up and down to engage the lock into the gear drive. Under the right hand cover you will see that again from our 1200 watt electric drive motor we have a chain drive down to our lower sprocket that engages drive to our two-piece aluminium rear roller. A few frequently asked questions that might pop up along the route is standard colour of the aluminium housings. Purple is the standard colour, however if that is a problem within certain markets there is different colour options available. If so, there may be extended lead time. Second question is about different brush options on the integrated brush. So today we only have the one option. We might develop in future to have different configurations, but like I say, today it's just the one. And the third question that we've received is whether or not this whole front end system is available to be swapped out for a different configuration. Again, on that point, the answer is at this moment in time, this is our standard configuration and we have no plans to offer different options. From a service and support side, the ES-34SL features less moving parts than the petrol models, and as a result comes with a reduced service requirements and no engine maintenance. The Dennis ES-34SL is an expansion to the electric Dennis range for a lightweight and more manoeuvrable machine, but still offering that cut quality that you expect from a Dennis mower. For any more information about this product, please get in touch with the territory manager for your area.